The biggest mistake people make when planning an international move is not what you think. It's not packing wrong. It's not choosing the wrong shipping method. It's starting too late. By the time most people begin planning, they're already behind. International moving isn't just about boxes. It's documentation. It's customs regulations. It's timing shipments across oceans. And if even one step is missed, you could face delays, unexpected costs, or problems clearing customs. That's where the right guidance changes everything. At SDC International Shipping, we help you plan your move from the very beginning. So instead of guessing, you have a clear path forward. Here's a simple way to stay ahead. Step 1. Start early. Give yourself at least 2 to 3 months to prepare everything properly. Step 2. Create a full inventory of what you're moving. This helps with planning, shipping, and making sure nothing is overlooked. Step 3. Choose the right shipping method. Air freight is faster and ideal for smaller, urgent shipments. Sea freight is more cost-effective and perfect for full households. And just as important, protect what matters most. With the right coverage in place, your belongings are protected from door to door, so you can move forward with confidence, not uncertainty. When everything is planned correctly, your move becomes what it should be: a fresh start, a new opportunity, an exciting next chapter. If you're thinking about moving abroad this year, now is the time to start. Talk to an expert at SDC International Shipping and build a plan that works for you.